Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. It's Amber with Amber Marie and Company. Today I wanted to talk to you particularly about adding new life to the outdoors in any planter by using items that maybe are on their last leg. This is the last year. Follow along with me today. I'm going to talk to you all about this beautiful planter. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us for more tips, tricks, trends, whatever it might be. You never know what we have going on here. I started my beautiful arrangement out here by just taking a wreath that I had. I probably had it, I don't know, 10, 12 years, and I put it around the top. And then I'm just going to stick all of my flowers, all of my picks in, and just make an arrangement with that. Of course, you want your height to be back here in the back. So I started with some pretty green picks to add height back here. These beautiful snow-covered branches, which I love. I've had these. I did a crystal and snowy tree probably 5 or 6 years ago. And so I've had these sitting in a box just waiting for new life. And this is what I'm going to do with them. So I'm going to take those, and I like to add that for height in there, and plus it adds just another dimension, that dark color, right? And it's just really, really pretty sticking up. It looks really natural. And then I have even something like this. Look at this poor guy. This beautiful leaf, I loved it, and it was used for many seasons, but it's kind of seen its better day, right? Not something maybe I would stick in my tree at this point, but I'm going to put it out here, and when I poke this into my arrangement, you don't even see those other stems. Like, all you see is a really pretty crystal leaf that just sticks up. But look at this poor fellow. Like, it has, what, 5 leaves left? There were probably 12, 15 leaves on this whole thing. I'm going to do the same thing, just add it in here. And it's okay that you don't have all those leaves. It just adds another texture to our design here. And then I have this beautiful, I love this. This is a really pretty whimsy pick, snow covered, with a really fun wispy pine. I'm going to take that, and I like those pine cones to be front and center up here, so I'm actually going to add this right up here in the very front of our display and our design. Take all these little pine cones. I want them all to show when my guests walk in. And then I have the focal point, or the centerpiece, which is a beautiful candle. And I already lit this candle. It's in a glass jar like this, and this is a candle I've probably had, oh geez, just sitting around the house. I can't even tell you how long I've had that candle, but for a while. I've never burned it. I have this glass jar. I think I probably even got flowers and arrangement in it. One more of these pretty little pine cones. Just add it right over here for some color. And then I made a bow out of some leftover ribbon I had from last year. I just put it on a zip tie like this. I'm going to attach it to my pick right here. I'm going to poke that little pick into my arrangement right here to add the bow and to have a little stem just trailing out just like this. Fluff my bow up. Make sure, of course, I'm keeping everything out of my little candle. And this candle isn't something that I light and just leave. It's when I know I'm having guests come over, maybe I'm going to have a party. I don't burn it all day, every night. If you're worried about it, you could definitely use a faux candle, but I love the real candle aspect because I feel like guests just don't expect it. So when they walk in, there's a beautiful candle right here. And of course, when I walk my last guest out, that's when I'm going to take and just blow out the candle. So I hope you enjoy this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And again, it's repurposing those stems, those picks, or if you want to, probably half of the stuff is available at ambermarieandcompany.com right now, or a variation of this. You can make and create this very same arrangement, but I wanted to showcase how I took something that I'm not using currently in our display, and I made something outside with it that I thought was classy, and just a really pretty way to welcome our guests for any party that we're going to have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and head on over to our socials too. We're on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, TikTok, all of them. So I'd like to see you guys there too. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of our beautiful arrangement here, and show me some pictures. I'd like to see what you've done as well. Thanks for watching, everyone.